Did you know that you can integrate your Facebook and Instagram shop with HighLevel? This is a really exciting way to use your products and stores from HighLevel to integrate with social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram in order to sell your products natively within their platform. This is really cool, so let me show you how it works. Connecting your Facebook and Instagram shop is as easy as first connecting your Facebook and Instagram within integrations and your sub account. And then under settings, we can go here, go to shops, and then we'll be able to fetch our page from our Instagram and Facebook shop, which we can create within the Facebook Commerce Manager. It'll find our Facebook page that the shop is underneath. Then we can select our store, turn on product sync, and then click save. Just like that, our Facebook and Instagram shop is connected to our HighLevel account. Now, if you haven't used Facebook and Instagram shops with HighLevel, don't worry. Here's a few key pointers that you should keep in mind while you're getting this integration set up. First, if you don't have a shop already, simply go to business.facebook.com/commerce and you can create your Facebook Commerce account. This is essentially going to be a store account that you've connected with your Facebook page, in which when you go into it, you can add products, manage sales, and most importantly, manage platforms. So make sure that the Facebook page that you connect to the Commerce Manager is connected to your Instagram page. And you'll be able to confirm this by going into your Commerce account, and then you'll see shops and you'll see Facebook and Instagram here on the right hand side. Second, make sure you include all of your valid business details when creating your Facebook account, so that way you'll be verified and your account won't be taken down. Lastly, to use this within HighLevel, you have to have a domain connected to your store within your account. So in order to do this, simply go to sites, stores, find your e-commerce store that you're going to be using with the Facebook or Instagram shop, and making sure you've selected a domain from this dropdown. If you have those 3 steps completed, you should be good to go in having your Facebook and Instagram shop connected to HighLevel. This is super exciting, and if you're running an e-commerce shop with HighLevel, this is going to take your social media sales to the next level. As always, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thank you so much for watching.